Hello, dosto. I hope you guys are doing well. And as exams are over, so it's a time to relax ourselves and enjoy and party. Okay, but I think it's almost an week. I guess it's 18 today, right? So it's almost an week. We have done with our exams. We are done with our exams. So many students were asking me that what we should do in the time which we have got until the results are released, and some of the students are already giving their examination, so they can watch this video later, but specifically this video is for those who are waiting for their results and don't know what to do in this free time. Relax, I won't tell you to study again and again. Whatever stage you are in, this video will be useful for all of you. So without wasting much time, let's begin. The first point, there are 5 points which I have mentioned, which I will share with you, and I hope this will definitely help in all your aspects of life, in professional life and in personal life. So let's start with the first point, which is do what you love. I have already said this thing a lot of times, that follow what you love doing. What are your hobbies? And if you don't know what is your hobby, then I would suggest some students, some people, not some students, some people thinks that hobby is doing something big. No, even if you are listening to music and you like listening to music, then it's your hobby. ठीक है, तो जो भी आपको करना पसंद है, वट एवर यू लव डूइंग, डू इट. What are the benefits of doing that which you love is that you will be more productive because you are doing what you love. तो उसमें you will put more energy, right? You will put more energy, so you will be more productive. So this will also help you when you will study, right, for your professional examinations or any examinations, because you will be developing a habit of being productive, right? So do what you love, and you will not make an excuse whenever you will try to study. You will not make an excuse to yourself, because we are all in a habit of making excuses, right? And the last point, the last advantage which I would say of doing what we love is you will find yourself learning and improving. That happens, right? So this is the first point which I have covered, is that do what you love. The second thing is that
अब यहाँ तक आ ही गए हो तो आधा काम मत करो, सब्सक्राइब बटन के साथ बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस करो.
my video might bore you, but I can definitely say if you will listen this video till the end, then you will find it very informative, right? The second point which I will consider is that read novels. Novels are very important. No, not novels are very important, but I would say reading is very important in our life. Why it is so, I will tell you the reason of it, but before that I would like to share one quote, that is, we only have one life and reading makes us live 1,000 lives in just one lifetime. इसका मतलब क्या है, हमारे पास एक ही लाइफ है, बट अगर हम रीडिंग करते हैं तो उस एक लाइफ को हम कई बार जी सकते हैं. क्यों? वाई रीडिंग नॉवेल्स और रीडिंग बुक्स? आई वुड से रीडिंग नॉवेल्स इज बेटर देन रीडिंग बुक्स, बिकॉज यू कैन रिलेट टू दैम समटाइम्स. You can sometimes imagine the things which are not which don't even exist. So how it helps you in visualization, right? You can visualize the characters which are not there, which do not exist. You can increase your vocabulary in some cases, because you may find some words which will help you in increasing your vocabulary. And the reading novels definitely help you in many areas of life. Like if I give an example of myself, real example, I started studying reading novels around, I think, a year back or 2 years back. I don't remember. I just do it whenever I like. It's not like कि मेरे को एक महीने में इतनी novels करनी है, कुछ जब भी मन किया पढ़ लिया, ठीक है. So I have read around 4 novels till now which I remember, but there might be some other novels which I do not remember which I have read. So that were the first one was The Magic, you can call The Secret, that is related to the gratitude. Another one was Rich Dad and Poor Dad, that is related to financial freedom. And then Steve Jobs, that is a biography of Steve Jobs. And The Miracle Morning. Miracle Morning is how you develop your habits, 6 habits that can transform your life. So these were the 4 novels which I have read, and now I want to read the 5 AM Club. I have it 5 AM Club, but I haven't read it yet. It was a little boring in the beginning, so I have stopped reading it and completed Miracle Morning, but will try to complete 5 a.m. Club as well. So how it benefited me? I might learn some new words from it, and the Miracle Morning played a huge role in my life. I was grateful to everything what was happening in my life, and I'm still grateful for whatever is happening in my life. It developed a sense like of gratitude in my life. I never had it, and I still have that sense. I'm very grateful to everything which I have right now. और ये आपको ना पता नहीं चलता है, ये ऑटोमेटिक होता है. Whenever you read, it creates an impact on your mind, so it happens automatically. So this is for novels. So I would suggest reading. If you read anything, then you can definitely go for reading novels, because it will definitely help you in many areas of your life. Okay, so this was the second point. Now the third point is a quote again: network is your net worth. Why it is said? Because network means, building a network doesn't mean that you have to sell the product to the customer only. Building a network means establishing a relationship with other people. Like I have established a relationship with you all guys, right? So how you can build network? You can approach people through various social media sites, and if you want to network with people who are professionals, then there is a platform which many people are not aware of, that is LinkedIn. LinkedIn, LinkedIn. And if you don't have an account on LinkedIn, then please make an account, because it is very useful in your professional life. And research about it. What is LinkedIn about? How you can network with people on LinkedIn, what you should post, and what people connection request you should accept on LinkedIn. Because if you will accept everyone's request, then it will become a Facebook timeline. But you don't want LinkedIn to be a Facebook timeline, right? So LinkedIn is basically for professionals, and I see it is a very good platform to network. And if in the case, I will say, wherever you go, if you are in the job, then do maintain good relationships with each member of your team, your manager, and everyone, because you don't know when you can need their help. ये कभी भी हो सकता है. Like I was working, I had a very good relationship, and now I quit my job. So my manager said that whenever you want to come back, just let me know, we'll surely see something for you. So it is how you build your relationship, that your team members and managers supports you whenever you require, right? So this is third point. Now the fourth point is that you can learn MS Excel, because it is a very important tool for every corporates or even firms. Wherever you go in your life, in your professional life, MS Excel will never leave you. That is Microsoft Excel. Why it is important? Because it have a lot of features, and you can understand it very easily. They are not very complicated. You can arrange a lot of calculations in just single click. So there are a lot of features of Microsoft Excel. So I think you can learn doing MS Excel basics. You can start with it. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया. And least but not the last, the fifth one is that do regular exercise, because it keeps our body healthy, our mind healthy, and keep us healthy. So regular exercise is very important. Even if you are doing it for 5 to 10 minutes, I will say around 15 minutes, minimum 15 minutes you should do. And it's not like you have to do with physical equipments, right? You can just stretch and do all that. So that's enough. That's the basic exercise you can do. So I think with these 5 points, I am done, and I will just summarize. First, do what you love, that is follow your hobbies for the time being. You have time, so you can follow your hobby, because it will help you either directly or either indirectly. Second, read novels. Third one is LinkedIn. LinkedIn, not properly LinkedIn, but build network. Network is your net worth. Then fourth one is learn MS Excel, because it is a very important tool. And if you want me to make videos, some videos on Excel as well, then let me know in the comment section. And for the fifth point, which we were talking about, is regular exercise, because staying healthy and staying fit is very important for our life. So this is it, and I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon as well. So hope you